week's Python tutorial video. Today we're going to write a code that can transfer photos from the source to the destination. And even though it's short, but it teaches some new modules and kind of stuff that an intermediate can use to increase his or her level. And to help and support me, please give the video a big thumbs up and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content. And without further ado, let's go! Okay, so first, and as usual, we're going to import three modules. First, we're going to import shuttle as sh. And shuttle is used to copy content of the source directory to the destination one. We also import it as sh to make it easy on us. Instead of mentioning shuttle every time in the code, we can simply say sh. Next, import os that provides functions for interacting with operating systems and much more. And last, import time. And now we're going to name the source path1 and the destination path2, and we're going to make them equals to capital D slash test slash source, and this path2 is capital D slash test slash det. And the variable list of files will be equal to os dot list dir for the path one, which is the source. Now we'll use the for loop to go through every file in the source. So we'll say for file name in the list of files, and if dot jpeg in file name, alright, the file name which is a file in the source, and the same thing for dot .gif and png. Then we'll print out the path1 and the source and the file name. Now here we are going to copy the files from the source to the destination. So we'll say sh dot copy file, yep, that's it, path1 plus slash plus file name and path plus slash anything you want plus file name. Now, even though we copied the files to the desk, but we still need to delete them from the source. So we'll say os.remove path1 plus slash and plus file name. Now, after we did all this process, we will not see the files moving quite a lot, since they are all moving in the same second. So we'll use the time to solve this problem and say time dot sleep 0.2 seconds. And finally, and at the end of the for loop, we'll print files and then the source path1 and are successfully moved to path2, which is the desk. Now, before we test this program, I will just download a bunch of photos and put them in the source that I will create with the dest folder in local disk D. Now I just created in local disk D this folder test, and this have a bunch of photos and this is empty. Now let's test this out. Okay. And as you can see, everything worked just like planned. And then last, it printed out files and source are successfully moved to path dest. And like that, you learned how to move files through Python from one directory to another. Please give the video a big thumbs up if you think this was a helpful tutorial, and press the sub button code in GitHub in the description. Hope you enjoyed and see you in the next week. Ciao!